Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix no sound during calls on your ULEFONE Armor 21. So we got the phone right here. Now first, what we want to do if we have no sound during the call, we can check the volume. So we're gonna press the volume up right here, tap here on those three dots, and here we will check the call volume. Now as you guys can see, my setting is maxed out, but if yours isn't, then just simply slide it to the right. Now we can also go into the settings, and in those settings go to sound and vibration, because here we also have the call volume. So here we can adjust it just like this. Now what we want to do next is go over and make sure that our Bluetooth is disabled. So let's go to the main page of the settings, click on Bluetooth, and here click connection preferences. Now let's go over to Bluetooth and make sure to disable it. Make sure that it is gray or bluish, but the switch is gray right here, because when it's blue, then basically that means the Bluetooth is on. Now this will rule out any connected devices like your headphones, speaker, and etc. So that's why we do that. Now next, we can see a big earpiece right here. Now this earpiece, if it's dirty or just filled with dust or debris, then what can happen, basically it can block the sound. So that's why you may experience no sound or little to no sound. And you can clean it with a soft brush, for an example. And after that, what you guys want to do is restart your smartphone. So press the power button and the volume up button. Now go over and click restart and tap again to restart the device. Now it's restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. Now after the restart, let me quickly enter the password, and after that what we need to do is wait for our phone to turn everything on. Now after everything is turned on, what we want to do is we want to go either to phone app or try another app to call up somebody, see if the issue is fixed. If not, then what you guys want to do is go over to the settings, and in those settings swipe a bit down until you see the system. Now here in the system, we want to go over and first check the system update right up here. Let's click check for update. Oh, let me quickly connect to the Wi-Fi. And as you guys can see, after we connected to the Wi-Fi, we can see that my software is up to date. So I can double check it, and it's up to date. But if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys updating it. It's very important to keep up with the latest version. Now what we want to do as a last resort is go over to reset options, and here reset the mobile network settings. So click reset settings right here. Let's enter the password to continue, press reset, and now those settings are resetted. So that's all. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.